We'll guide you through how to use Bounce Keyframe in CapCut PC. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open CapCut on your computer. Click Create Project to open a new workspace. Then click Import to bring in your media files. Choose the image files you want to use, for example a background and the Guidehub logo. Then click Open to import them into the project panel. After the files are successfully imported, drag the background onto the timeline to create the base layer. Then drag the logo onto the timeline above the background so it appears as an overlay. Next, click the Add Keyframe icon in the Transform section to create the first keyframe. This keyframe will define the starting position and size of the logo. Adjust the logo scale according to your needs, for example similar to the video, so it looks properly sized within the frame. Then adjust the position according to your needs, for example place it at the top side of the screen as the starting point of the animation. After setting the first keyframe, move the playhead to the right according to your needs, for example similar to the video, to define the next stage of the animation. At this new position, adjust the position, for example move the logo to the bottom side of the screen. This creates a downward movement animation. Then move the playhead slightly to the right to create a bounce effect. Adjust the position slightly upward to simulate the bounce motion, giving the animation a more dynamic and natural feel. To refine the animation, right-click on the video layer and select Show Variable Speed Animation to open the keyframe graph. In this panel, click on the Y section to focus on vertical movement. Select the second keyframe so you can adjust its motion behavior. Then click Preset Curves and select Rebound Out to create a bounce effect at the end of the movement. To further refine the motion, click Auto Curve so the animation becomes smoother and more natural. Once you are satisfied with the animation, press Alt+K on the keyboard to close the keyframe graph. Select both layers and adjust their duration according to your needs, for example shorten them by dragging to the left. Press space or click the play button to preview the result and ensure the animation looks smooth.